Okay, so today I am unboxing Wings I version. This is almost the last one. I have W and N, and then I just need G. Hello, yes, my cat would like to join. Alright, so in the other ones, I got a Polaroid of all of them, like a group shot, and then I got J-Hope. That's right. Sorry, I had to think about that for a minute. So we will see who I get this time. And I haven't looked at the photo book. I know that it was, yep, Taeyong and J-Hope. Aww. Oh, he's so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful man. Aww. What a beautiful era this was. Oh, his neck says here. I can't read the sign up here. You could probably look it up online though, I am betting. Sorry, my cat's getting into something. Stop it! I have 3 of them. This is not the only one. Oh my goodness. I've seen this one before, so some of these are like repeated. Oh! I love the paint behind him. I'm guessing it has to do with Boy Meets Evil. That's what it makes me think of anyway. I'm assuming that's probably what they were purposely going for. Lovely. Oh, here, I'm gonna pull this stuff out. I don't look till the end. Get out of here, Sophie. I don't want her laying on it or anything. Ooh. Oh, his golden boots. So pretty. I like this orangey hair. Oh. Sugar and JK. I don't know what that's. I think it's supposed to be jewelry in that little bowl, but for a second I thought it was like a pretend nest with little fake bird eggs in it. I don't know why, that's what I thought it was. Alright, and we got the lyrics. All that jazz. Ooh. And the disc, of course, of course. Oh, and then, yes, the back. Alright, let's see who I got. First we got the ad. Oh, I think it says J-Hope on here. Aww. Now that, I mean, that's the one I already have, but also still, aw, look at him. He's precious. I can probably either trade it or maybe my sister will trade it with me. She collects albums too. So it's possible. I mean, it's not like I hate having to. Look how pretty he is. Oh. Alright. Thank you. Have a good day.